Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Netflix not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have check your internet connection. So while you have how to check internet connections available or not available or working fine not working, so you have open the Safari browser. So then you have search any website. If it loads quickly, that means your internet connectivity is fine on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have force close the Netflix app while you have used the Netflix app. So then you have close on iPhone. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold on iPhone with home button. Quickly double press the home button. Now drag the app code for Netflix up and dismiss it. Force close the Netflix app on iPhone. So then you have after 15 seconds, open the Netflix app again and try use it on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have update the Netflix app, touch and hold the App Store. So then you have open the App Store on your iPhone. Then you have tap the App Store ID update. You have checked the update is available. Netflix not available on my iPhone. Netflix app update. So then you have must be check the update is available on your iPhone. So you must be update the Netflix app. Then fourth solution, update iPhone or iPad date and time. The best way to ensure that your device always has the correct date and time is to enable set automatically from the settings. You have opened the setting, click on general, scroll up, click on date and time, set the automatically time from here. So then you have send the must be correct the date and time on your iPhone. Then fifth solution, you have to restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, use the buttons as you usually do. You may also open the setting, click on general again. So you have scroll up, then you have click on shutdown. So then you have button of the list, you have click on shutdown, then you have scroll the slide to power up, then wait for 5 seconds. Then last solution, you have reinstall the Netflix app on your iPhone. This will delete any show and movies that you have saved offline. So you have open the setting again, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So you have seen the Netflix app is available. So you have uh, click on offload and reinstall from here. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.